Hello everybody, it's me again. I'm just unboxing another video, The Walking Dead, the first complete second season, and yeah. Nice, got this at Walmart. Let's check the sides. There you go. See if we can zoom in. No? Oh, there you go. 4-disc set. Down the back. Got the whole gang there. Nice. Alright then. Let's get this open. Same. I love the wrapping noise. No, that's a little weird. Alright. Forgot to mention the title's glossy as well as the first season as well. Nice. Ooh, didn't see that. There you go, you got the little extra sticker here. Let me see if I can get this open. Never really liked these type of stickers. Huh, alright, I'll worry about that later. Go. Close. Disc 1. Disc 2. Beautiful. 4 discs. I guess this is gonna be the special features, one of these. I think they all do. Haven't checked it out yet. Well, that's it. Kind of like the first season's cover a little bit more. Well, alright. You get what you get. Alright, guys. I guess that's about it. Please hit that like button if you like this video. And yeah, I'm out.